Ever wondered what the rich know about investing that the rest of us don't? Well, stick around because in this video, we're going to unlock the wealth building strategies that can reshape your approach to investments and financial success. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Live, the place where we dive deep into the world of knowledge and exploration. Today, we're delving into a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their financial IQ, Rich Dad's Guide to Investing, by the legendary Robert Kiyosaki. Before we unravel the secrets of the rich, make sure to hit that like button now. Book Overview: Rich Dad's Guide to Investing, by Robert Kiyosaki is a financial guide that unveils the strategies the rich employ in investing. Kiyosaki challenges traditional thinking, advocating for a shift in mindset towards an investor's perspective. The book emphasizes the importance of financial education and highlights key differences in how the rich and others approach investments. It delves into the distinction between assets and liabilities, providing a roadmap for building sustainable wealth. Kiyosaki encourages cultivating an entrepreneurial spirit as a path to financial independence. The book is not just theoretical, it offers practical insights to reshape your financial future. It's a must-read for those seeking to understand the secrets of successful investing and wealth building. Key takeaways: 1. Mindset shift towards investing. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of adopting an investor's mindset. This involves thinking beyond traditional employment and considering ways to make money work for you through investments. 2. Prioritize financial education. The book stresses the need for continuous financial education. Understanding how money works and staying informed about investment options is crucial for making informed and successful financial decisions. 3. Distinguish between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of distinguishing between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Understanding this distinction is key to building wealth. 4. Entrepreneurial spirit for financial independence. Cultivating an entrepreneurial spirit involves thinking creatively and seeking opportunities for financial independence. Kiyosaki explains how this mindset can lead to successful investment decisions and overall financial success. 5. Focus on building passive income. The book advocates for the creation of passive income streams. Kiyosaki suggests investments that generate ongoing income, allowing individuals to become less reliant on traditional employment for financial stability. 6. Understand different investment vehicles. Kiyosaki discusses various investment options, including stocks, real estate, and starting your own business. Understanding the pros and cons of each can help individuals make informed decisions based on their financial goals and risk tolerance. 7. Avoiding bad debt and leveraging good debt. Kiyosaki distinguishes between bad debt, liabilities that don't contribute to wealth, and good debt, investments that generate income. Understanding how to leverage good debt while avoiding bad debt is a key component of successful investing. 8. Network and learn from successful investors. The book encourages networking with and learning from successful investors. Surrounding yourself with individuals who have achieved financial success can provide valuable insights and mentorship. 9. Risk management and due diligence. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of thorough research and due diligence before making any investment. Understanding and managing risks is crucial for long-term financial success. 10. Adaptability and continuous learning. In a dynamic financial landscape, being adaptable and continuously learning is essential. Kiyosaki encourages readers to stay informed about market trends, investment opportunities, and changes in the economic landscape. So, there you have it. Rich Dad's Guide to Investing is like a treasure map to financial success. If you want to be rich, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Learn the secrets of the rich, understand assets versus liabilities, and embrace the mindset of an investor. This is not just a book summary video, it's a guide to reshape how you think about money. If you're serious about building wealth and securing your financial future, subscribe to our channel and grow with us. Hit the like button if you found this summary helpful and also share it with your friends and family. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with the first step, and this book might just be the guide you need. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.